Shallow. If your children do not have insects to look at, birds, bees, and other creatures around your yard, and they are stuck on screens and playing video games, they are going to be miserable people. So we have to change this right now. We have to convert our land, our properties, to growing wildflowers for the bees, birds, and butterflies. Also, it's crucial to put in ponds to attract dragonflies, because dragonflies eat mosquitoes. And anyways, ponds attract frogs as well. So, shalom.